Welcome back to my channel Road Runners, where we bring you the latest updates on travel and adventure vehicles. Today we are diving into the 2025 Kia camper van, a perfect blend of innovation, style and functionality, designed for those who love the open road and endless exploration. Built to cater to modern travelers, this van brings convenience, comfort and technology together in a seamless package. Whether you are planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, the 2025 Kia camper van ensures that your journey is as enjoyable as the destination itself. The exterior design of the van stands out with its sleek aerodynamic shape, making it efficient on the road while also being visually appealing. Its compact yet spacious build makes maneuvering through city streets and rugged terrains a breeze. The LED headlights and taillights provide excellent visibility while adding a modern touch to its overall appearance. The large windows allow plenty of natural light inside, creating an open and airy feel for passengers inside. The durable body materials enhance its longevity, making it a reliable choice for long-term travel enthusiasts. Step inside and you will be greeted with a well-thought-out interior that maximizes space and comfort. The camper van is equipped with high-quality furnishings, including a foldable bed that transforms into a seating area during the day. The kitchen area features a compact stove, sink and refrigerator, allowing you to prepare meals on the go. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated to ensure that you can carry all your essentials without cluttering the space. The ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere, making it an inviting place to relax after a day of adventure. One of the standout features of the 2025 Kia camper van is its advanced technology that enhances the overall travel experience. The infotainment system is designed to keep you connected with a touchscreen display offering navigation, entertainment and vehicle controls. Smart connectivity options allow you to sync your devices for a seamless experience. Voice command functionality makes it easier to operate various features without taking your hands off the wheel. Safety is a top priority with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and emergency braking, ensuring a secure drive at all times. Performance-wise, the van is powered by an efficient yet powerful engine designed to provide a smooth and responsive drive. Whether you are cruising on highways or tackling off-road trails, fuel efficiency is optimized to extend your travels without frequent stops for refueling. The suspension system is built for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough patches to ensure a steady ride. An all-wheel drive option is available for those who seek adventure in more challenging terrains. For those who enjoy sustainable travel, the 2025 Kia camper van offers an eco-friendly approach with an optional electric or hybrid model, reducing the carbon footprint while maintaining impressive performance. Solar panels on the roof provide an additional energy source to power interior appliances, making it a self-sufficient travel companion. The integration of sustainable materials in the interior design also adds to its appeal for environmentally conscious travelers. Customization options allow owners to personalize their camper van to suit their specific needs. Whether you need extra sleeping space, a workspace or additional storage, Kia offers a range of accessories and modifications to tailor the van to your lifestyle. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for solo travelers, couples and families looking for a reliable and adaptable travel solution. In conclusion, the 2025 Kia camper van is a remarkable vehicle that caters to the evolving needs of modern adventurers. With its sleek design, comfortable interior, advanced technology, efficient performance and eco-friendly options, it stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore the world in style. At Road Runners, we are always on the lookout for the best travel vehicles, and this camper van is undoubtedly one of the top picks for the year. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on the latest road trip essentials.